To prepare this okpa Enugu, I use 1/4 of a paint, custard paint. Oil is very necessary for, I think that's the number one ingredient. So since I didn't have a measurement, I used my discretion. Look at the oil, showing you the oil. Then the next thing, I poured hot water. People use warm water, but I decided to use hot water. Though I later added a little cold water to it to enable me put my hand. So one thing you have to bear in mind that is a gradual process. Don't go and pour all your okpa flour at once. See now, the work done too much, so I decided to stand up and give it a proper mix, because one thing you wouldn't like to see in your okpa is lumps. So I gave it a very proper mix while standing to make sure that there is no lump. Then the gradual stage continues, pouring okpa, then mix, pour water, continue to mix. See, I'm pouring the water I just told you now. Then you continue to mix it together so that, look at me checking if there are lumps remaining. So I continue to mix and mix and mix and mix while I am still standing. Then I wanted a particular consistency. Then I added more water to it. Check, 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 check. That's what I'm doing here. Once I saw that there was no lumps again, I added blended fresh pepper to give it a very good flavor for your okpa. A lot of people use crayfish. The only thing you require is just salt. This one I added now. And red oil, pepper. You are good to go. These are the main ingredients. When I saw that the work is done, I sat down. I brought out 2 waterproof. I had 2 different waterproofs at home. This is the big Santana and the small one. So I said, let me try the big one first. I didn't have any rope, so I tied it, used my teeth to make it strong. Then I decided to pour some inside the upper layer. Look at me now trying to do it even without rope. When I did it, I was happy. I tried the second one, the upper and the lower chamber. And when I was able to achieve this two, I decided to go back to the small one. Let it be a combination of 2 chambers and 1 chamber. When I did this one, I said, this is even easier. I started dancing because I knew I was just alone on this. Please, when you want to put your okpa on fire, make sure you boil water first, then shake it well. This is how I shake my moi moi. That's why it's not difficult for me, not minding that. This is my first time. See the small jar now that I put? I cover. When I came back, look at it now. It couldn't contain the pot. Then after 30 minutes, I returned with a knife and a fork. You know what it means. I want to check what it looks like. So look at it. Wow. Okpa Enugu. Let's go. So can we taste already? See the color. I want to see my face. It's giving, 100 over 100 minus nothing.